Do you have a cervix?
Yeah, of course.
Where is your cervix?
I did the hotel management in YM.
His cervix is with me, and I found the best trick to learn the stagings of cancer cervix with a single diagram. So there are 4 stages. 1 is when the cancer is confined only to the cervix. Stage 2 means cervix plus upper 2/3 of vagina to parametrium. Stage 3 means lower 2/3 of vagina to pelvic wall or lymph nodes. And stage 4 when it involves adjacent organs. Now let's come to stage 1. Depending on the size, it is again divided into 1A and 1B. If it is less than 5 mm, then it is 1A, and if more than 5 mm, then it is stage 1B. और 1A को फिर से 2 में डिवाइड किया गया है. If it is less than 3 mm, then 1A1, and if more than 3 mm, then 1A2. Now let's come to 1B, which is more than 5 mm size. उसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. If it is less than 2 cm, then it is 1B1. If 2 to 4 cm, then 1B2, and if more than 4 cm, 1B3. Now let's come to 2. अगर सिर्फ अपर 2/3 ऑफ वजाइना इन्वॉल्व किया तो फिर 2A, और अगर पैरामेट्रियम भी इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है then it is 2B. अब 2A को डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइज is divided into 2A1 if less than 4 cm and 2A2 if more than 4 cm. Now comes to stage 3 when it involves lower 1/3 of vagina. अगर simply नीचे आया then it is 3A, और अगर moving through the parametrium and touching the pelvic wall then it is 3B. And remember one thing, in this stage 3B there is a chances of hydronephrosis and hydroureter because it involves a ureter which passes through the parametrium in this space. और अगर pelvic wall तो छोड़ो, वो अगर lymph nodes को involve कर जाए तो फिर वो 3C बन जाता है. Now depending on the lymph nodes it can be 3C1 and 2. 3C1 जो पास में क्या है, of course pelvic lymph nodes, और दूर में क्या है, para-aortic lymph nodes, वो दूर में है. So 3C1 is when it affects pelvic lymph nodes and 3C2 when it involves para-aortic lymph nodes. Now coming to the last stage, that is stage 4, which involves adjacent organs. उसका भी stage 4A and B है. A is when it involves regional adjacent organs like the adnexa, the fallopian tube, and everything. And stage 4B when the cancer is spread to distant organs. That's all for today. Subscribe and follow for more.